All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR 11. It says in the right triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 48 degrees. Find the measure of angle B. Okay, so here's angle A, and they're telling us that that angle right there is 48 degrees. They're looking for angle B. All right. So you have got to know what the 3 angles of a triangle add up to. The 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, okay? You also have to know from this visual what this little box means. If you see this little box in the corner of an angle, oh, that's so ugly. Sorry about that. If you see this little box right here in the corner of an angle, just like that little box there, that means you have a right angle. That means you have a right angle. And how many degrees are in a right angle? A right angle measures 90 degrees. All right, so let's take a look. So we know the 3 angles of the triangle have to add up to 180. So if we take the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C, that has to be 180 degrees. Well, the nice thing is the measure of angle A we know is 48 degrees. Measure of angle B we don't know. That's what we're looking for. But we do know the measure of angle C, because as soon as we see this fancy little symbol in that corner, that means C is 90 degrees. So we know the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. So you have to figure out 48 plus 90 plus what gives me 180. Well, the first thing I should do is add up the 48 and 90, the 2 angles I know. So off to the side, my little scrap work would be 90 plus 48. 0 and 8 is 8. 9 and 4 is 13. So that's 138 degrees. So now we know the measure of angle B plus 138 degrees will give us 180. All right. So once I combine those 2 angles, I still have to find angle B though. Okay. Oh, if I just take and subtract 138 from each side of this equation, if you take your total of 180, subtract off the 138, which was the total of angle A, angle C, and angle A, you're going to have to come up with angle B. 138 minus 138, bye-bye. So on this side of the equation, we know we have measure of angle B equals 180 minus 138. Let's see. We got to borrow here. So 8 becomes a 7. This becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the measure of angle B must be 42 degrees. And what sort of a quick check could we do for ourselves? Our quick check? If we take 90, 48, and 42, guess what we had better come up with? If you add up the 3 angles, you better come up to that 180. 8 and 2 is 10. Put down a 0, carry a 1. 9 and 1 is 10. 4 more is 14. And 4 more is 18. 180 degrees. Boom, boom. It checks. All right. I hope that helps.